Remind you, this is the score for the House health care bill that passed 3 weeks ago by just 4 votes, and it's going to be a material development for the path forward on health care reform and the overall Republican agenda. The last time the CBO weighed in on the most recent, or I should say the previous rendition of this bill, they showed that the House version at that time would see 24 million fewer people insured, but premiums falling by 10% and the deficit reduced by $150 billion over the course of the next decade. But since then, the House has made some key changes to the bill. They added funding for patients with pre-existing conditions. They're now letting insurers charge higher premiums to older people, and they're also allowing states waivers to opt out of offering certain mandatory benefits. The House has not yet sent the bill to the Senate. NBC News reports that's because there's a chance the House might have to vote on it again if the CBO finds it doesn't reduce the deficit by $2 billion as reconciliation rules require. Now, House Speaker Paul Ryan, in an interview with Axios this morning, said that he was optimistic about the bill, even though he didn't want a repeat of this saga of the way that they have gone about doing health care, and he acknowledged that there's difficulty in the path ahead.
The Rubik's Cube is hard, and I assume the Senate will change a bill. That's how legislating works. But I think our members have traveled a long journey in the last few months to realize you can't get everything you want.
Senate Republicans, for their part, have said they need to see today's score before structuring their own health care plan. The fear is that any increase in the number of people uninsured or a decrease in savings would give fuel to Democrats trying to obstruct the plan. Remember, the argument of the White House and GOP lawmakers has been to question the legitimacy of the CBO. In the past, they said CBO's estimates, they're good when it comes to numbers, but not so accurate, John, when it comes to people.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.